After 8 matches, the Creamline Coal Smashers remain perfect in the PVL All-Filipino Conference. The defending champions made quick work of the Cheritigo crossovers, winning in straight sets 25-17, 25-17, and 25-21. Bea de Leon starred with 13 points off 8 attacks, 3 aces, and 2 blocks. Gemma Galanza added 9 points, while Pangs Panaga and Tots Carlos added 8 points apiece. Cheritigo has now lost 2 in a row after falling to Zeus Coffee last week. The crossovers are now at 5 wins and 5 losses this conference. After the match, BDL and Creamline head coach Sherwin Meneses spoke about the Grand Slam team keeping their focus on the ultimate goal this conference.
Siyempre, malaking tulong sa amin yung panalo ngayon. Kaya kami at nakuha namin yung game ngayon ng 3 sets. Kasi last time, medyo hindi naman nag-relax sa third set, nakuha ng kalaban yung third set. Ngayon, naging lesson sa amin yung last game namin. So, sobrang thankful sa mga player din na nag-response dun sa third set. Siguro, same lang nung every game na pakiramdam namin. Kasi hindi naman namin tinitake advantage na 8-0 pa. Basta kami, 1 game at a time lang kami. Yun lang yung iniisip natin. Pero syempre, masaya. Maganda yung naging resulta ng game. Pero sa tingin ko, mahaba pa yung pagdadaanan namin talaga kasi sobrang haba ng conference. Doon muna kami nakapokus sa every game na gagawin namin.
Same rin naman with Coach. Ako actually, relatively bago ako dito. So from the outside coming in, hangang-hanga ako sa mindset nila kasi kahit ganun nakataas yung naabot nila. Coming in, the work ethic is still so high. Ang taas ng disiplina, ang taas lagi ng level ng training. And yun, nakaka-motivate din yun on my part na makita kasi kahit despite all the greatness that they've already done, it's still 100% all in as if hindi pa sila nanalo, hindi pa kami nanalo before. So, yun, talagang hanga-hanga rin ako with that part, and I think like what Coach Sherwood said, mahaba pa. Of course, it's a nice place to be in now, pero mahaba pa yung season. Sobrang dami pa namin tatrabahuin. I think it's very innate eh. So, culture thing siya, especially with Adelaide establishing it na we keep going, we keep learning. Kahit ano pang naabot natin, there's always room for more.
The Signal HD Spikers are back in the win column of the PVL All-Filipino Conference. After back-to-back losses, the HD Spikers made sure to vent their ire against the struggling Capital One Solar Spikers. Final score here, 25-12, 25-15, and 25-17. Judith Abil led the way for the HD Spikers with 13 points on 10 attacks, 1 block, and 2 service aces. Ishi Lalong Isip also had 13 points, while Roslyn Doria Aquino added 11 in the win. Signal improves to a 6-3 record, while Capital One drops to 1-8. After the match, Abil and Lalong Isip spoke about the trust given to them by Coach Shaq De Los Santos following the departure of several players from the team.
Sa akin po, parang mas ano siya, parang in positive side, nagkaroon ako ng playing time, so mas na-maximize ko din kung ano yung meron ako, and everyday, ayun, katulad nga ng sinabi ni Coach Shaq, tiyaga lang palagi.
Sa akin naman po, kung gaano yung binigay na tiwala ng mga coaches, ni Coach Shaq sa akin, gusto ko din, yun yung ilalagay ko din sa sarili ko, yung tiwala din sa sarili na, yun. At magtrabaho lang, trabaho. Tiyaga lang din po sa training.
I think halos parehas lang naman yung galaw. Wala naman masyado Mas siguro sa training lang na naging adjustment namin this year, mas pinabibilis talaga din namin yung galaw. Kasi syempre, yun nga, like doon sa nabanggit mo against sa Creamline, kumbaga, yung naging performance namin, sobrang happy kami doon sa naging result. And kung nandun na kami sa level na yun, mas siguro pang hawakan namin yun, or better kung may improve pa namin.